Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. In previous video, we completed the problems on special type of integrations, type 1 forms. In this video, I will explain type 2 problems. See, what is the type 2? To find integrations of the form integration of px plus q. Integration of px plus q by ax square plus bx plus c dx. Otherwise, given integration may also in the form of integral px plus q by root over ax square plus bx plus c dx. Maybe sometimes given problems are also in the form of integration of px plus q into root over ax square plus bx plus c dx. In this model, our given problem is any one of these forms. Okay. What is the difference between the previous method and this method? In previous method, in numerator we have only 1. In denominator we have quadratic term. But in this method, numerator is not 1. Numerator is a linear term, first degree term. Linear term is nothing but first degree term. So, numerator is linear term, denominator is second degree term. Maybe numerator is linear term, denominator is root over quadratic term. Sometimes given integration is also in the form of px plus q, integration of linear term into root over quadratic term. That is the difference between previous method and this method. So, write the working rule to solve the problems of this type of integrations. Working rule. So, whenever given problem is in these models, put numerator. Numerator is nothing but linear term is equal to capital A into d by dx of quadratic term which is involved in the given problem. That is ax square plus bx plus c plus capital B. Now, we have to find the new terms capital A and capital B. Capital A and capital B by equating like terms on both sides. This is the second type of integrations. See the examples on this method. See the first problem. Find integration of x plus 1 by x square plus 3x plus 12 dx. Clearly, we are observing that this problem is in the form of px plus q by ax square plus bx plus c. So, given problem is in this model. Numerator is a linear term, denominator is a quadratic term. So, what is the rule? We should take numerator x plus 1 is equal to capital A into derivative of quadratic term which is involved in the given problem. Nothing but denominator x square plus 3x plus 12 plus capital B. Take it equation number 1. Now we are going to find out the values of capital A and capital B. So this can be written as x plus 1 is equal to capital A into what is the derivative of x square? 2x. Derivative of 3x is 3. And derivative of 12 is constant. It is not necessary to write plus 0. Plus B. So, equate coefficient of x on both sides. You will get what is the coefficient of x in the left hand side? 1. In the right hand side, coefficient of x is 2a. Also, we are observing that if 2a is equal to 1, then what is a? 1 by 2. Directly you will get a value. Now, equate constants on both sides. Equate constants on both sides. Then you will get the value of b. What is it? In the left hand side constant term is 1. In the right hand side 3a. 3a is a constant because x is not involved, that's why it is constant, plus b. Already we got the value of a. Replace a value here. 1 is equal to a is nothing but 1 by 2. 3 into 1 by 2, 3 by 2 plus b. So b is equal to 1 minus 3 by 2. So b is equal to 2 minus 3 minus 1 by 2. In this way we can find out the a value and b value. Substitute a value, b value in 1. So from equation number 1, x plus 1 becomes to capital A. Capital A is nothing but of d by dx of x square plus 3x plus 12 plus b value is minus 1 by 2. In this way we have to change the numerator which is in the given problem. The numerator of the given problem becomes of derivative of x square plus 3x plus 12 minus 1 by 2. Take it equation number 2. Now given problem becomes to x plus 1, integration of x plus 1 over x square plus 3x plus 12 dx is equal to integration of what is x plus 1 from equation number 2, of into d by dx of x square plus 3x plus 12 minus 1 by 2. From according to the equation number 2, numerator can be reduced to this form over, write the same denominator, x square plus 3x plus 12 into dx. Now separate the terms in the numerator. 1 by 2 is the constant term, take outside from the integration. You will get d by dx of x square plus 3x plus 12 by x square plus 3x plus 12 into dx minus, again here the second part is 1 by 2 which is constant, take outside of the integration. So integration of 1 by x square plus 3x plus 12 into dx. Okay, we are observing that the first part is in the form of integration of f dash of x by f of x. Integration of f dash of x by f of x. What is the formula for integration of f dash of x by f of x? Log of denominator. Okay, you can also use modulus for this one. So you will get of into, the dash is nothing but derivative, that's why log mod x square plus 3x plus 12 minus of into. What about this one? We are observing that this is in the type 1 form, integration of 1 by ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, in this case we should make the coefficient of x square is 1. So already coefficient of x square is 1, so it is enough to reduce the denominator into the form of a plus b whole square, otherwise a minus b whole square. So integration of 1 by x square plus, multiply with 2 for the formula a square plus 2ab, that's why you should multiply with 2 and divide with 2. X into already 3 is there, so you should write 3 by 2 here. Next we need 3 by 2 whole square, so subtract with 3 by 2 whole square plus balance term is 12 into dx. Okay, the next term becomes of into, first part is similar part, integration for the first part is completed, it is enough to find out the integration of second part. So log of x square plus 3x plus 12 minus of into integration of 1 by, first 3 parts can be written as x plus 3 by 2 whole square minus 9 by 4 plus 12 into dx. So of into log mod x square plus 3x plus 12 minus of into integration of 1 by x plus 3 by 2 whole square. We should simplify this constant. See, 4 is the LCM, you will get minus 9 plus 4 12s are 48 Okay, what is 48 minus 9? 37 plus 37. So 37 by 4 dx. So that is equal to half into log mod x square plus 3x plus 12 minus half into integration of x plus 3 by 2 whole square plus 37 by 4 can be written as root 37 by 2 whole square. Now it is in the form of integration of 1 by x square plus a square. What is the formula for integration of 1 by x square plus a square? 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. According to that formula, a value is root 37 by 2. First part is similar part, half into log of mod x square plus 3x plus 12 minus of 1 by a. 1 by a means 2. 1 by root 37 by 2. This 2 can be written as here into tan inverse of x by a. X plus 3 by 2 over root 37 by 2 plus c. This 2 getting cancelled, and it is enough to take the LCM in the angle and cancel the denominators 2. So you will get a tan inverse of 2x plus 3 by root 37 here. This is the way to solve this type of problems. I will give another problem, please note down. This is the next problem. Evaluate integration of 2x plus 5 by root over x square minus 2x plus 10 dx. To crack this type of problems, first we should identify that what is the structure of the given problem. Clearly we are observing that given problem is in the form of integration of px plus q, integration of px plus q by root over ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, so what is the rule to find integration of this type of functions? Put linear term, which is the numerator, 2x plus 5 is equal to d by dx of quadratic term which is involved in the given problem, which is x square minus 2x plus 10 plus capital B. Okay, don't take root over here, just it is enough to take derivative capital A into derivative of quadratic term involved in the given problem. It is enough to find out the values of a and b. This can be written as 2x plus 5 is equal to capital A into derivative of x square is 2x and the derivative of 2x is 2, minus is there, derivative of constant is 0 plus b. B is similar term. Now compare the coefficients of x and equate constants on both sides. So by equating the coefficients of x terms on both sides, you will get 2 in the left hand side, you will get 2a in the right hand side. So a value is 1 directly. Now equate the constants. By equating the constants, in the left hand side we have 5, in the right hand side a into minus 2. Minus 2a is a constant plus b is also constant. What is b value from this? 5 plus 2a. Take this minus 2a to this side, 5 plus 2a, and b is equal to 5 plus a is already 1 plus 2. So b is 7. So equation number 1 implies numerator 2x plus 5 becomes capital A is already 1 into d by dx of x square minus 2x plus 10 of plus capital B. Plus capital B means 7. Take it equation number 2. Okay. Now substitute equation number 2 in given problem. So given problem becomes to integration of 2x plus 5 whole by root over x square minus 2x plus 10 dx is equal to integration of what is 2x plus 5? 1 into d by dx of quadratic term x square minus 2x plus 10 plus b value is 7 here, whole by root over x square minus 2x plus 10 into dx. Now separate the terms. This can be written as d by dx of x square minus 2x plus 10 by root over x square minus 2x plus 10 into dx, plus 7 is the constant term right outside of the integration. So integration of 1 by root over x square minus 2x plus 10 into dx. Okay. Now what is the structure of the first part? First part is in the form of integration of f dash. Derivative is nothing but f dash by root over x square minus 2x plus 10. This is in the form of integration of f dash of x by root over f of x. What is the formula for integration of f dash of x by root over f of x? Simple, 2 root f of x. According to this formula, it becomes 2 root over x square minus 2x plus 10 plus 7 into, what about the second part? The second part is in the form of integration of 1 by root over ax square plus bx plus c dx, which is type 1 integration. Okay, so in that case we should make the coefficient of x square is 1. After that we should reduce denominator into the form a plus b whole square, otherwise a minus b whole square. We are observing that already coefficient of x square is 1. So simply you can write that integration of 1 by root over x square minus 2x can be written as 2 into x into 1. So we need plus 1 square. So subtract with 1 square. Already 10 is there into dx. So 2 root x square minus 2x plus 10 plus 7 into integration of, observe the first 3 terms form, which is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. So it can be written as x minus 1 whole square minus 1 plus 10 can be written as 9. 9 can be written as 3 square. We are observing that it is in the form of integration of 1 by root over x square plus a square. What is the formula for integration of 1 by x square plus a square? Root over x square plus a square is sin h inverse of x by a plus a. According to this formula, first part is similar term x square minus 2x plus 10 plus 7 into integration of, apply that this formula directly, which is sin h inverse of, what is x? X minus 1 by, what is a value? 3 plus c. This is the result of given integration. Okay, I will give next problem. See.